My group looks after all of the evidence generation from company-sponsored studies and investigator studies. So really collecting all of that data to show how our products work, where they work best. For a long while, I would say clinical didn't have the best reputation internally.
We had a lot of unhealthy conflict going on in the group.
When I came, it was just one study a year. I saw groups of people really separated by function, and all of them were very competent within their own function, but they just were not working together as a team.
There was a time before where we were told not to talk to cross-functional team members. That created many challenges, and so the echoes of that didn't go away very quickly.
We quickly jumped into the 5 behaviors, and I saw trust and a foundation of trust slowly starting to build within our team.
I went into it excited. I thought there were principles that definitely would make a difference.
I think the program gave people permission to hit the reset button. I think it gave people the permission to share. I think it gave people a framework to feel comfortable and safer in.
That change started from the management level. So in my words, I would describe as a top-down. So when you have a top-down, it makes everything easy.
We collaborate a lot better as a team. Our communication is open. We're not afraid to open up and share our feelings.
I mean, we're doing 4 times the amount of studies now that we've done before in the past, and yet our group is not much larger than it was before.
Being able to concurrently do 4 studies and looking at adding more, it's certainly rewarding for me, leading the department, and I believe it's rewarding for the individuals to finally be performing at the level they should be.
We spend 8 hours a day in a workplace. Nobody wants to spend a majority of your day in a place where you're not happy.